Hi all, welcome back. Today I am making chicken ki lal phal. This is a starter dish made with boneless chicken and spices. It is ready in no time. So let's get started. So I am taking boneless chicken 250 grams. So as much as possible I am going to cut the boneless chicken in a flat shape. So to this chicken I will be adding some salt, quarter spoon turmeric powder, half spoon red chili powder, half spoon coriander powder, quarter spoon garam masala powder. In goes a spoon of ginger paste and a spoon of garlic paste. Going to mix everything nicely. So once it is mixed, I am going to take a flat surface. This is a traditional dal ghotni. We mash dal with this. So I am going to take this and mash the chicken nicely so that it is very flat. So flatten the chicken nicely. I am going to flatten each and every single piece individually. And once it's done, I am going to mix it nicely and let it rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, I am going to set aside some curry leaves, 1 chopped green chili and 3 tablespoons beaten curd. We are going to cook this chicken on tawa. So heat around 1 tablespoon oil on tawa and add curry leaves and green chilies. After it is sauteed, add chicken pieces. Going to cook the chicken pieces on high flame for around 1 minute. So boneless chicken cooks really fast. After 1 minute, turn the sides and let it cook nicely. After the chicken is cooked well from both the sides, I am going to add the beaten curd. The process of cooking chicken on medium to high flame should not be longer than 5 minutes, otherwise chicken will be really hard. So once the chicken is cooked, I am going to add the beaten curd on medium to high flame. Mix everything nicely. Now the chicken will absorb the curd and this will furthermore soften it. The chicken will be moist and yummy. Now I am going to cover it and let it rest in medium flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now going to serve it hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.